Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on your laptop using a PS4 controller. First, you'll need to connect your controller. You can use a USB cable for a direct connection or pair it wirelessly via Bluetooth. Make sure your laptop's Bluetooth is turned on and ready to find new devices. Then, we'll set up some essential software. Next, let's get DS4 Windows installed. This crucial software allows your PS4 controller to be recognized as an Xbox 360 controller, which Minecraft natively supports. Head to the official DS4 Windows website to download the most recent version. Once downloaded, extract the files and run the application. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. With DS4 Windows open, it's time to configure your controller. Create a new profile specifically for Minecraft. You'll want to map your PS4 controller's buttons to match the standard Xbox 360 layout for seamless gameplay. Take a moment to fine-tune the sensitivity and dead zones for your joysticks. This customization ensures your movements and actions in Minecraft are as precise as possible. Finally, you're ready to play. Make sure DS4 Windows is active and running in the background. Then, launch Minecraft as you normally would. Once in the game, head to the control settings to confirm that your PS4 controller is being recognized and its inputs are working correctly. You should now be able to navigate menus and play Minecraft using your PlayStation 4 controller.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.